Okay. So, as you probably have noticed, everything that is happening here today is in some way connected to Riga Girls. This festival is co-organized by the whole community. And at this point, so for those of you maybe who didn't hear that, the artist that we heard previously, the musician, that was Eric. He's Oksana's son. Oksana is a dear teammate of Riga Girls, and there you can see them both. Thank you, Eric. It was an amazing performance. Thank you so much. And now, another very special performance by a very special person. And I'm already repeating myself, I don't know how many times today, but this, again, is a very special person indeed. This is Lauma Kazaka. She is a composer, musician, and she's a startup founder. So maybe like 10 years ago, we met, and Lauma was building her own startup. She was also teaching guitar to my daughter. So we met, and we also actually wrote a couple of songs together. We had a small project, we were doing some music gigs, but now I am less involved in music, but Lauma is full on. She just graduated from the Music Academy with, what's the degree?
It's a master's degree in composition. It's like, I guess I would say, like the dream of my life.
Yeah, so cheers to the dreams, right? So it is possible to build startups and be a musician and get a master's degree in the Music Academy in composing. So everything is possible. And with that notion, I want to give floor to Lauma to play 4 of her songs. And can we also have the art on the screens? Yes. So, Lauma, take it away.
Thank you, Anna. It's fantastic to be here. And Anna is a very important friend to me, and she's always been a great example of how to, really build friendships and stay together and inspire each other. So this small music gig that I brought here today is combining art and music. So I brought some paintings by my friends, artists Maja Arvena and Peter Jansen. And each of the songs is connected to the painting or vice versa. And I will be singing in Latvian, but music is a universal language, I hope. And my first song is called Vincent, about the painter Vincent van Gogh and about his travels and about his dreams of life. And in this painting by Maja Arvena, I think it's, a Vincent probably in his late years where he has, traveled a lot and he has seen a lot and probably thinking, what was worth it and what has he seen. And we really need some time to think about it as well. But, when you have your dream and energy, just go for it. I just love the rain. It's so romantic.
Kam gribas rakstīt vēstules, likt pastmarku un nosūtīt bez adreses. Tu esi viens no tiem, kas klātesoši ir rudens lapās, it visās saulainās un dūmakainās dienās. Paļaujos, ka mūsu atšķirtība ir kā pērles, kas bez jūras mirdz ap sievas kaklu. Es paļaujos uz likteni, kas klusi dāvā domas. Es paļaujos uz laimes garšu. Kur pēstu dodies pa pasaulī un Vai daudzos veidos mēs jau sastopamies un kas jauns iekš mums un kas ir tikai atkārtojums. Vai mēs tik tiekamies, lai atvadītos un kā viņi starp sākumu un beigām mūža jūrā vītos. Kad cauri būsim visām veiduvijām un kad sagruvis būs mūsu vārgās miesas nojums. Varbūt tik būsim zilās ilgu puķes izelpojums, vai tāla meteora gaismas uzliesmojums. Vincenta Van Gogha kurpēstu, dodies pa pasaulī, un laiks tev raksta baltas vēstulēs. Bez adreses, vēl Vincenta Van Gogha kurpēstu. Dodies pa pasaulī, un laiks tev raksta vēstulēs, vēstulēs bez adreses, laiks tev raksta vēstulēs. Tu esi viens no tiem, kam gribas rakstīt vēstules. Tu esi viens no tiem, kam gribas rakstīt vēstules.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And the next song is about the small things in life, about the small things in life that we appreciate every day. And this is a painting by my friend artist Maja Arven, and you can probably see some of those things there. There are, nice little symbols that we can think about while listening to this song. And the title of the song is Kam tik skaista dvēsele bija, and the poet by Latvian poet Fricis Bārda.
Atnāk nakts, ver debesu vārtus, izved mākoņu kalnus sārtus. Platās, baltās kamanās, lēni viņi līgojās. Līgodāmi tālu klīst, rožu migla lejā līst. Pašā kalna galotnē dejo zvaigžņu meitene. Kam šī dzīdrā, kristāls skaidrā dvēsele te izlijusi? Lūk, kā viņa mirdz un slēpjas puķēs bērns. cik skaista dvēsele bija. Saule tik un debesīlā, pašā vidū zelta vanaks. Saule zelta spānus cilā, atnāk nakts par debes vārtus, izved mākoņu kalnus sārtus. Pašā kalna galotnē dejo zvaigžņu meitene. Kam šī dzīdrā, kristāla skaidrā dvēsele te izlijusi? Lūk, kā viņa mirdz un slēpjas, puķēs bēg un smejas klusi. Kam šī dzīdrā, kristāla skaidrā dvēsele te izlijusi? Lūk, kā viņa mirdz un slēpjas, puķēs bēg un smejas klusi.
Thank you so much. It's really wonderful to be here. And the next song is called I Cannot Keep Silent. And I wrote it for Ukraine, actually. So I played it in several concerts already. And I think that this painting that you see behind me, you see the person and this blank space. And I think that for me it represents this sort of choice, sometimes to say what you need to say or to keep silent. So I chose poetry by Latvian poet Mirza Tempe, I Cannot Keep Silent.
Ir mīla, ir naids un nāve, ir taisna un netaisna dzīve, es nevaru klusēt. Uz brīvās zemes es stāvu, un manai dziesma ir brīva, es nevaru klusēt. Man pasaule ver savu sirdī, dobid un prieks un sāpes, es nevaru klusēt, es nevaru klusēt. To bailes un cerības tirdī, aug miera un taisnības slāpes es nevaru klusēt. Man balsis no tālumiem jautā, vai tu mūs nesadzirdi, es nevaru klusēt. Man māsas ir katrā tautā, ar viņām mīlu un mīstu, es nevaru klusēt. Man pasaule var savu sirdī, tur dobid un prieks un sāpes, es es nevaru klusēt, es nevaru klusēt. To bailes un cerības tirdī, aug miera un taisnības slāpes. Es nevaru klusēt. Ir taisna un netaisna dzīve, es nevaru klusēt. Uz brīvās zemes es stāvu, un manai dziesma ir brīva, es nevaru klusēt. Man pasaule var savu sirdī, tur dovid un prieks un sāpes, es nevaru klusēt, es nevaru klusēt. Bailes un cerības tirdī, aug miera un taisnības slāpes. Es nevaru klusēt.
Let's keep that in our hearts. And now the last song, which is really my dedication to Anna and to Riga Tech Girls, and this song that's called Piparmētras or Peppermint by Latin poet Kaspars Zīdulis. It sort of has this kind of spirit that I actually very much needed, Anna, how you said previously, you know, combining the startup life and musician life and studies in the academy. So this song actually got me through. And so I want to leave you with this sort of feeling, or probably my wish to you.
Mēs esam puķu laika bērni, mēs neprotam pretoties vētrām. Mūsu elpa un mati smaržo pēc piparmētrām, smaržo pēc piparmētrām, piparmētrām. Mēs nevis esam, bet savādi trīcam, kur jākliedz būtu mēs dīcam. Mēs nevis darām, bet darīt taisāmies, virziena nav. Uz vietas mēs maisāmies, virziena nav. Uz vietas mēs maisāmies, virziena nav. Uz vietas maisāmies mēs. Neprotam pretoties, iegribam sīkām un sitienu gaidām. Ar mugurām līkām mēs baidāmies saglabāt patību pūlī. Varam uzsmaidīt kādam un zobus ņirkt tūlīt. Tūlīt, 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 tūlīt. Es esmu tikai viens no pūļa, un kauli man arī ir mīksti. Es reizēm nemīlu sevi par to, un tu mani nemīlēt drīksti, tu mani nemīlēt drīksti. Bet es ticu, ka asinis kādam ar vien vēl smaržo kā jūrā. Sāļi rūgti un patiesi kā tie dūmi no uguns, ko strautā reiz kūrā. Un es ticu, ka asinis kādam ar vien vēl smaržo kā jūrā. Sāļi rūgti un patiesi kā tie dūmi no uguns, ko strautā reiz kūrā. Un es ticu arī no tavas zemes, ko rudenī arī. Ne piparmētras, bet rudzi izīkšo pavasarī. Un es ticu arī no tavas zemes, ko rudenī arī. pavasarī, izdīgšo pavasarī, izdīgšo pavasarī.
Thank you. Thank you, Anna. Have a great day today.